Today at Coyote Classics, we're checking out another beautiful Mopar. This is a 1967 Plymouth Fury. And this car is absolutely gorgeous. This is got to be the nicest Fury on the market. Verified 2-owner car and a factory 383 car too. A lot of these, you know, are 318s. This is original 383 car, laser straight body. It's got probably the most rust-free undercarriage you're ever gonna see on one of these.
Really?
I was super impressed.
We chose to take off the original wheels. They just looked a little small on it, and put these nice American Racings with BFGs. I think it's just a fantastic car.
All the chrome and bright work and the body work and body lines, you know, very straight. All the gaps are great.
Look at the front end on it before I open the hood. Like you said, the gaps on the hood are absolutely perfect on the front, back, sides.
It's a damn cool Mopar. It's something you don't see every day. You don't see many of these Furies.
You're kind of excited because you're the one who bought it.
I'm excited. I just kind of fell in love with it just with the story and then also the condition and the engine options.
Here's another thing,
too.
Timmy, give it a light polish. Look at that dark blue metallic in there.
Yeah.
I know it's tough to see, you know, when it's cloudy like today, but
when I did the pictures, we had really nice sun, and it does have a lot of metallic and just a really pretty car.
Look at the condition just around there, the top side of the frame, the back of the firewall. Wow.
Yeah.
It's near perfect, isn't it? Your factory tags here yet?
Yeah, show quality engine compartment. And so to verify the 2 owners, we have the original purchase agreement with the first owner's name on it, and then the title, copy of the title when it was transferred in 2017 from the first owner to the second owner. It's a nice one.
This is a Mopar for just under 30,000 bucks that you can take to a show and win a trophy.
Yeah.
I mean, this is, and drive anywhere you want to go. What a nice car. Absolutely show quality under there.
And the color's pretty unique. I love that color. That deep blue metallic. It's really pretty.
It sure is. Just a standard, not money option car. I mean, it's got a heater. That's the main thing.
Yeah.
On a day like today, but no power steering, no disc brakes on the front. Like Dalton said, the bright work is awesome. You have just a little bit of solvent pop on the chrome right here, just a little bit, but beautiful little two-door hardtop. Door lines up perfect. Back bumper's excellent. Dual exhaust is nice. Body is laser straight, both sides. Bottom of the door lines up perfect. Wow, the trunk light even works. Look at that. Spare jack.
It's really solid. And as I said to start the video, make sure you check out the undercarriage photos on our website, coyoteclassics.com. You're going to be really impressed with just how solid and original it is underneath.
Driver's side is just as nice as the passenger side as we go up and down the sides. Over the wheel well is excellent. We do have a little bit of a chip with a touch up there, but both doors line up just perfect. You can tell this thing has not been taken apart, like you said, and put back together. I mean, the gaps are as good as you're ever gonna find on a Fury, that's for sure. The glass is really clear too, and look how that lines up. Look how the windows still line up. They haven't been taken apart and messed with. Corner of the door is perfect, rust-free. Bottom of the door is excellent. Both door panels are 100% original. You can see just a little bit of discoloration at the very top from age. Remote mirror.
I think one of the only things that replaced on the interior, according to the previous owner, was the seats were recovered.
Okay. Carpet's original, isn't it?
Yep.
Still has the original mats from the factory here. Those are cool. Headliner is excellent. Back shelf's nice. Wow. Seats are perfect. Seat covers are excellent as well.
It's a good one. Let's take it for a spin. All right, I'm excited for you to drive this thing. I drove it when it first came in and was pretty impressed with it. Keep in mind, for those of you watching, it's 31 degrees out today, so not a warm day for these carbureted cars.
Horn works, Flashers work.
That's cool.
Yeah. Wipers work perfect. I like the, you know what? I really like the dash on this. You don't see too many like this with the factory toggles for everything.
That's neat.
Zero lights. Interior lights work on the back, both of them.
You have a small crack, or a crack here in the original dash. Glove box is nice.
Oh, it's
glove
perfect.
box light
Look at
works. Yeah, it is.
108,407 miles. So well taken care of. One repaint and seat covers. Other than that, it looks like it's pretty much bone stock. I shouldn't say that because it looks like the engine bay and stuff was all done too. I mean, it was all professionally done again.
And the heat works, which is awesome.
That's all I care about today. Gas gauge works. We'll see if the temp gauge works and comes up here in a little bit. All our lights. Got to warm it up a little bit. Amp gauge works as well. The only thing is, it looks like the clock and the radio's not working.
It is cold for diesel cars. It brings up a good point too. So with any of these carbureted cars, you know, a lot of times, especially if you take them to even a different elevation too, like if you buy and take it out to Colorado, we always recommend, you know, having them retuned for your air-fuel ratio.
Remote mirror works good. Still looking nice. Front end's nice and tight. Brakes work perfect. Ooh, that seat back there.
There you go. That helps.
Jason pulled it out there. He's a little shorter than us.
Yeah, it seems like every time Jay gets a hold of him, the seats are way ahead. When I was photographing this thing a couple days ago, I had two people pull over on the side of the road up there and come down and take a look at it.
Really?
Yeah, just because they said they hadn't seen one of those in a long time.
Yeah, you don't.
They're really impressed with condition too.
50 mile an hour, 55, just like that. And look how it goes down the road, dude. Nice car.
You can
temperature gauge, factory temp gauge is coming up just a little bit.
And you can just tell a difference in nice, you know, original cars like this one by the way they drive. Kickdown works. 383's got good power.
It does. That's 70 mile an hour right there. Now these are drum brakes. We're gonna hit them hard. We're gonna look at that. There again, Coyote Classics. We go through all the brakes in them. That was perfect.
Yeah.
And that was 4-wheel drum, non-power, and it stopped perfect.
Yep.
So definitely don't need disc brakes or power brakes on this one at all. There we go. So now see how it's just warming up and starting to act a lot better.
Yeah,
you know what I
it
mean?
is. Yeah, good reminder for anybody. You gotta warm these things up, especially when it's 30 degrees, 31.
I'm impressed with the power for this big girl.
I was too.
70.
This is what the cops drove back in the day. I feel like the cops drove like Furies back in the day, and all the old movies they did.
Yeah. It shifts great, 70 mile an hour, no hands on the wheel.
Suspension feels good. This is a cool car. Like Chad said, really nice Mopar. It's going to win you a trophy under $30,000. So pretty great buy. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put a link down in the comment section if you're watching on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.